Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim Nahim. I'm here to show you our 2023 Sea Wraith 370 Sundancer. Gorgeous boat. Quick review, this boat came equipped with twin V12 600 horsepower Mercury outboards. It gives this boat a lot of torque, great power, white motors to match the boat itself. Look at this full walkthrough here. So when you're anchored, diving, or doing anything, you have this full space. Let me give you a little, our sun lounge. Check this out. So when you're anchored, you have this versatility. Let's come inside. Let me give you a little preview of our bar. Nice little grill. Refrigerator. Little garbage can. Great layout. It's towards the aft of the vessel. Great for entertaining. Look at all the seating here. All the cup holders. Flagpole. Your speakers are right here facing towards the aft, so if you're in the water, you have that music blaring. Let's go towards the helm. Boat came equipped with a twin Sinrad unit, fusion radio, auto glide by Lenco, joystick system by Mercury, the new throttle system. You can turn on all your motors with one push here. Take a peek down in the cabin. Nice space. That turns into a full bed. Nice little aft cabin with a television. Look at that bathroom. Check out the shower. Separate shower with a glass door. Now the best for last. Let's take a look at the bow. I'll follow you. Notice triple seating bed. We can get a filler cushion to turn this into a full bed. Another pointer, look how big this windshield is. So the visibility on this boat's second to none. Great visibility, real versatile boat. You can go very shallow with it with your outboard motors. Plus this boat does have a full bow shade called a forward canopy. So when you're anchored, you're under shade up in the bow. So nice little quick review. Please visit us at MarineMax.com or come visit us at MarineMax Miami. Thank you. Have a good day.